Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you want to deactivate your Roblox account, how you're going to do it, watch this video till the end and you will find out. So the first thing you need to do is to tap on the more option at the bottom, as you can see here. Once you tap on the more option, it will bring you to this menu. From this menu, you need to tap on settings, and in settings, you need to tap on privacy and content maturity. So once you tap on that one, it will take a bit of time to load. So guys, all you need to do is to tap on account deactivation and deletion, and the first option is a deactivate account. The second one is to delete the account permanently. But if you want to deactivate, just tap on deactivate and this message will pop up to confirm one more time. Deactivating your account will hide your profile. Some information may still be visible to others, so it will be deactivated for some time, but it will not be completely deleted. So if you still want to continue, just tap on deactivate and your account will be deactivated. So guys, this is all it takes to deactivate your Roblox account. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.